Hi dear GATE 2024 candidates. SAIL has already released a short notice indicating the recruitment of 249 management trainees through GATE 2024. And I already informed you about that through this channel. And now they have released a detailed advertisement regarding that recruitment. They have mentioned that SAIL requires 249 management trainees in E1 grade in various engineering disciplines for operation of its plants or units and mines across India. Then the number of vacancies present in different disciplines are mentioned in this table. For chemical, total 10 vacancies are present. For civil, 21 vacancies are present. For computer, 9 vacancies are present. For electrical, 61 vacancies are present. For electronics, 5 vacancies are present. For instrumentation, 11 vacancies are present. For mechanical, 69 vacancies are present. And for metallurgy, 63 vacancies are present. Then the corresponding GATE paper required for each discipline are mentioned here. You can go through it. Then when we consider category-wise vacancies, under unreserved category, 103 vacancies are present. Under OBC non-cream layer, 67 vacancies are present. Under SC, 37 vacancies are present. Under ST, 18 vacancies are present. And under EWS, 24 vacancies are present. Then for PWBD, 4% posts are reserved across the engineering disciplines on horizontal basis. Let's now look the eligibility criteria required to apply for this post. The upper age limit is 28 years as on 25/7/2024. Then age relaxation is present for different reservation categories. For SC/ST, 5 years of age relaxation is present. For OBC non-cream layer, 3 years of age relaxation is present. For PWBD, 10 years for general, 15 years for SC/ST and 13 years for OBC non-cream layer age relaxation is present. And for departmental candidates, upper age limit is 45 years irrespective of the caste or category of the candidates. Then the minimum qualification required to apply for this post is degree in engineering with 65% marks in any of the 8 engineering disciplines of chemical, civil, computer, electrical, electronics, instrumentation, mechanical or metallurgy. Then the engineering disciplines equivalent to 8 disciplines mentioned earlier are shown in this table. You can go through it. If I start reading this, it will take a lot of time, so you can pause the video and you can go through it. Then they have mentioned that the requisite qualification should have been acquired through a course from universities or institutions recognized or accredited by councils or bodies like UGC or AICTE, etc. Then there is relaxation in qualification for SC/ST, PWBD and departmental candidates. They require only 55% marks in their degree to apply for this post. Then if you belong to a reservation category, you must produce a valid certificate to prove your caste and category. The details regarding the certificate are mentioned here. You can go through it. Then the medical standards required to apply for this post are mentioned here. You can go through it. Then about selection process, they have mentioned that the selection will be based on GATE 2024 score. The candidates who apply for SAIL will be shortlisted on the basis of their performance in the relevant GATE 2024 examination paper and company's requirement. And the shortlisted candidates would be intimated through careers page website of SAIL and email and phone number to appear for group discussion and interview. And for final selection, the merit list will be drawn by combining the scores or marks of GATE 2024, GD and interview with the weightage of 75:10:15 in that order. Then about the required GATE score, they have mentioned that candidates who have appeared in a different GATE paper other than that of their qualifying engineering discipline will not be considered for further selection procedure. Then the candidates will require their GATE 2024 registration number for applying to SAIL. Then they have mentioned that the relevant link for applying for SAIL MTT would be made available on SAIL's career website at www.sail.co.in or www.sailcareers.com. And if the candidate is called for further selection process, his or her identity would be verified with GATE 2024 admit card and GATE 2024 official scorecard. And SAIL will consider only GATE 2024 marks. GATE 2023 marks or prior to that will not be considered. Then about group discussion and interview, they have mentioned that on the basis of scores or marks scored in GATE 2024 paper, candidate will be shortlisted for group discussion and interview in the ratio of 1:12 for each discipline category wise in order of merit. So they are calling for interview in the ratio 1:12. That means for one vacancy, 12 candidates will be called for group discussion and interview. And if you perform well in the group discussion and interview, there is a good chance for the selection. So don't hesitate to apply even though your gate score is low. Then they have mentioned that the GD and interview may be held at short notice, for which call letters will be uploaded on SAIL website and candidates will be intimated for the same through their email and phone number. Then they have mentioned that to be eligible for GD and interview call, a candidate will have to qualify in the respective discipline by scoring minimum 50 percentile score for unreserved and EWS post and 40 percentile score for SC/ST, OBC non-criminal and PWBD in the respective category amongst the candidates who have applied for the post. Then they have mentioned that they will collect biometric details for the verification purpose. Then about training and probation, they have mentioned that candidates selected as management trainees will be placed on training for 1 year and the management trainees will be registered as apprentice. And after successful completion of training, the candidates will be placed under probation for 1 year. Then about salary, they have mentioned that the management trainees will be offered basic pay of rupees 50,000 per month in the pay scale of rupees 50,000 to 1,60,000. And on successful completion of training of 1 year, the management trainees will be designated as assistant manager and placed in the scale of pay of rupees 60,000 to 1,80,000. And in addition to this, you will get benefits like DA, HRA, etc. So the CTC will be approximately rupees 16 to 17 lakhs per annum. Then about placement, they have mentioned that if selected, the candidates can be posted to any plant or unit location of the company. And the candidates will not be allowed to seek or apply for transfer to any other plant or unit location of the company for initial 4 years of service. And for departmental candidates, this restriction will be for initial 2 years. Then you need to apply online through website www.sail.co.in or www.sailcareers.com. Then they have mentioned that before registering their application on the website, the candidate should possess a valid email ID and mobile number which should remain valid for at least 1 year and GATE 2024 registration number and soft copies of passport size photo and signature. The photograph and the signature can be in JPG or JPEG format and the size of the photograph can be up to 50 KB and the size of the signature can be up to 20 KB. Then if you belong to general, OBC non-criminal or EWS category, you need to pay an application fee of rupees 700. And if you belong to SC/ST, PWBD or departmental candidates, then you need to pay an application fee of rupees 200. Then you can go through all other details they have mentioned under this section. Then the important and general instructions for the candidates are also mentioned here. You can go through it. The important dates are also mentioned here. The online registration has already started on 5/7/2024 and the closing date for online registration for SAIL MDT is 25/7/2024. Then I am planning to start a Telegram channel to post these notifications. Tell me your opinions about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and share this channel.